So today guys, we will be cooking Nandos peri-peri chicken with yellow rice. But before we start this video, make sure to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you will be updated whenever I release new video. What we are going to do first is to cut the chicken into a butterfly cut just like this. Let's now pour in lemon juice and add in salt, then rub it all over the chicken. Let's now add in peppercorn, paprika powder and turmeric powder and rub it all over the chicken to give an extra flavor. We are now going to add the main ingredient of the dish that we are going to cook today, and that is the peri-peri sauce. If you guys don't know, Nandos has 5 levels of hotness, starting from plainish, lemon and herb, mild, hot, and extra hot. And we are going to use the mild one. And the description here is it hits the spot without scalding your tonsils, and that means that the level of hotness is just normal. It's like bearable, so it's not going to burn your tonsils. After mixing all the ingredients together, let's now put it inside the fridge for a few hours or overnight before we cook it. After 4 hours, we are now going to oven roast our chicken. So what we are going to do first is we are going to put the minced garlic here and we are going to flip the chicken. We are going to hide the garlic under the chicken because we don't want the garlic to get burnt. Because when you burn the garlic, it will gonna give a bitter result. And for sure, nobody likes it. Let's now add in some rosemary to give an extra flavor, then pour the remaining marinade and put the butter on top of the chicken. Then let's bake it inside a preheated oven at 190 degrees Celsius for 50 to 55 minutes or until the chicken is already golden brown in color. While waiting for the chicken to finish cooking, let's make our yellow rice. What we are going to do is to heat up the pan. Once the pan is already hot, let's pour in some olive oil. Once the olive oil is already hot, let's saute the onion. Saute the onion until it is already translucent, then add in some turmeric powder. The amount of turmeric powder depends on how yellowish you want your yellow rice to be. Then add in some salt and black pepper to balance the taste of the turmeric powder. Then add in the cooked rice and mix it until it is already covered in yellow. Once it is already covered in yellow, let's just turn the heat off and set this aside for later. So after baking for 55 minutes, it is what our chicken looks like. So there you have it guys, our Nando's peri-peri chicken with yellow rice. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you on my next video. If you guys enjoy watching this video, don't forget to give this video a like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on post notifications for a shout out. Peace out.